Blended versus full-fashioned shaping is how the decreases are oriented in relation to the edges that are being decreased. Blended decreases slant in the same direction as the decreases are traveling. So on the right edges, the decreases slant away from the edge to the left. On the left edges, the decreases slant away from the edge to the right. So at the beginning of a row, you would work an SSK, and at the end of a row, you would work a knit two together when working on the right side of the fabric in stockinette. By contrast, full-fashioned, the decreases slant towards the edges. So here, these decreases slant towards the edges. At the beginning of a row, you would work a knit two together, and at the end of a row, you would work an SSK, if working in stockinette on the right side. This neckline uses blended decreases. The decreases are mirrored and slant in one direction and the other direction, and they are blended because they are moving in the same direction as the edge is decreasing. This neckline uses full-fashioned shaping decreases. The decreases slant towards the edge of the decrease line. This maintains that column of stitches in the ribbing without interrupting the ribbing pattern. You will see this often in colorwork or Fair Isle sweaters as well, because using full-fashion decreases does not interrupt the stitch pattern. Which you use is up to you. Sometimes patterns in particular call for one or the other. You can always change this if you wish. Decreases when worked on the wrong side of the work are still maintained as slanting away from the edge or towards the edge. When working on the wrong side of the work, you would work an SSP at the right and then purl two together at the left. For blended. For full-fashioned, you would work a purl two together at the right and an SSP at the left. For full-fashioned. Blended on the right, full-fashioned on the left. So that's a quick overview of blended versus full-fashioned shaping.